Oh, look at that. One more shot, right? Champion 1. An account that probably won't make it there again once the power scores are stopping us from leveling up. We'll see how I do on these rewards. I'm hoping for a legendary or two, maybe get super lucky, get a cool gold. Same thing if you watched my other video. I know a lot of us do this. That's a good epic. Would have been better if it turned gold. I need that rare. Those are good ones to get. That's a good one to get. Oh, come on. No, no. There we go. Oh, that was a gold epic. That's sweet. Even though he's not the best card in the world, but still, that's helpful for the collection score if I just hold it. And who knows, maybe I can level it up and play it gold because it is a good card. It's just not a super powerful card. All right, come on, shake in that last row. Probably not. Oh, a pack. One pack at the end. We'll go up and take a quick look at that that golden epic. There's a 137 dark energy crystals right there. That's the best card of the whole set as far as anything else goes. As far as my rewards, not the set. Come on now. And 2 epics and yeah, a lot of cards. Maybe I'll be able to level some things up. Let's go ahead and open up that pack. Got more than enough potions. All of us are probably going to stack those up. Let's see what happens. Oh, a little bit of lag there. Oh, he's not that good. If that's my only one, this is a bad pack. Bad pack. Oh well. Thank you, everybody. If you happen to check this out, I still enjoy the game. I'm not giving up on it.